everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to add and manage voice assistant for your earbuds Samsung Galaxy Buds 2. To do this, we need to use an application, and without the application you cannot set it, so you need to install it. Now open Galaxy Wearable application, and if you add your earbuds to the application, you will see the same menu. Right here you need to click at the touch controls, and we can add to call voice assistant only for press and hold. So click touch and hold. By default it uses ambient sound control, and decide you wanna use the left or right earbud to call voice assistant. I'm going with the left one, but it's the same with the right one. Just click at the digital assistant. This is the second line. Click on it, here we go, and now let's check it. So I need to put these earbuds to my ears to activate gestures. The touch areas, what we will use, located at the back side of your earbuds, at the middle, between dot at the top and dot at the bottom. We have this middle space and you need to click on it. So press and hold on my left earbud. And as you can see, I just awake Gemini, because we set up Gemini for this phone. If you set up Google Assistant, you will call Google Assistant. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!